Hi, second graders! Happy Friday, May 8th, 2020. Today, you are going to be learning about perimeters. We've talked about perimeters before at school. Remember, perimeters is the distance around a shape. So if you have a square, you would measure the sides of the square and add up all four sides. If you have a triangle, triangles have three sides, so you'd have to measure all three sides of the triangle and then add up those three sides. Today, you won't be measuring the sides are already measured for you, but you will have to find the perimeter of those shapes. So, the first thing I want you to do is to watch Perimeter Brain Pop Junior, and then come back and hit play, and I will walk you through our workbook pages 403 and 404. 403 is required, 404 is optional, okay? And then there are two optional IXLs and an optional extra math. So hit pause, go watch Brain Pop Junior on perimeters, and then come back. All right, so on page 403, the first one, it says, someone spills a carton of juice in the store. Mr. Green cleans it up. Then he blocks off the wet spot with tape. How long is the tape? So they spilt juice, and they had to create a block off so people don't fall and spill on that juice. So we have 37 inches here, 24 inches, and 48 inches. How do we find that perimeter of the shape? You're right, we need to add up all four sides. So on the side, I'm going to write 37, and I'm going to line up my 1s and my 10s. Otherwise, it's going to be difficult to add. 24 and 48. Notice how my 1s and my 10s are lined up. If I drew a line down the middle, my 1s would be in one column and my 10s would be in the other. Ready? We're going to add 7 plus 4. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Plus 8 more. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. I carry my 1 and I drop my 9. Now I need to add up my tens cup. Ready? 1 plus 3 is 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's no hundreds, so I put 109. So then I need to write my answer in the box with the label. What would my label be? It's 109. What? Inches, yeah, because it's around the shape. It says 37 inches, 24 inches, 48 inches. They had measured in inches, 109 inches. Nice job. All right, let's move on to number 2. Pause if you need to. It says Mrs. Chang wants to decorate the table she uses for free food samples. She wants to put gold trim around the top of the table. How much trim will she need? So here's her table and her measurements. She wants to put gold trim all around the edges, but she has to figure out how much she needs to buy so she doesn't overbuy or underbuy, because she wants to put silver or gold trim all around the edges. So how are we going to find the perimeter of this rectangle? You're right. We are going to add. So again, we're going to make sure all of our 1s and our 10s are lined up nicely. So let's start with 36 plus, we'll go around the circle, 27 plus 36 plus 27. Make sure those 1s, those 10s are all lined up at our plus sign and our equal sign. Okay, I want you to hit pause while you solve this problem. Hit play to have it checked. All right, welcome back. Ready? So I'm going to start in my 1s cup always. 6 plus 7. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Plus 6 more. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Plus 7. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. So I made 2 new 10s and 6 1s left over. Now I need to add up my 10s cup. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I get 126. I need 126 what? What's my label? Yep, 126. Oops, not 124. Push it down here. 126 inches because they measured the table in inches. Nice work. All right, pause if you need to. Otherwise, we're going to move on to number 3. Here is the route a customer takes while shopping at the store. How far does the customer walk together or all together? So again, we need to find the perimeter. Here they start at the door, then they go to farm stand, the meat counter, bakery, and then they leave out the door. So how far did they travel? I want you to hit pause and solve this. Hit play to check your work. Let's check your work. I have 35 plus 38 plus 24 plus 26. I always start in the ones cup. So 5 plus 8. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. I made 2 new 10s and 3 left over. Now my 10s cup, I'm going to add up 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And I get how far did that person travel? Yep, 123 feet. 123 feet. Perfect. All right. Now, your next job is optional. You can find the perimeters and solve these story problems for number 4, 5, 6, 7. And then you have 2 IXL jobs. Let me pop back to, oops, that's language arts. Back to math. So V1 and V2. So if I pop up, log in, Metergy at Chanhassen. Password is, what do you think? Austin Rocks. Yep. All right, so then it says, what is the perimeter of the square? Well, I'm going to add 5, 10, 15, 20 meters. What is the perimeter of the rectangle? 7 plus 5 is 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. If I need to, I can use my paper and pencil to add to find the perimeter. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, remember the perimeter is the distance around the shape. And then the second IXL is a little bit more challenging because it has to do with word problems. Each side of a square office is 9 feet long. What is the office perimeter? Well, I have to know that a square has all equal sides, right? And if one side is 9 feet, what do I know about all of the other sides? Yep, that it's 9 feet too. So I'm going to put 9 feet all around. 9 and 9, and then I'm going to add up. Well, I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4. 9 times 4, do my 9s trick. 1, 2, 3, 4 is 36. Okay, or I can use my pound counting and do 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9. A playing card is 10 centimeters tall and 7 centimeters wide. What is the perimeter? Again, I have to use my brain and I have to think hard, and I know that a deck of playing cards is a rectangle. So if one side is 10 centimeters, what's the other side? Yep, 10 centimeters. And if one side of the other, is 7 centimeters, what do I know about the other side then if it's a rectangle? Yep, that it's 7 centimeters. 7 and 7 is 14, plus 10, 24, plus 10, 34. 34 centimeters, okay? So for V2 is more challenging. You have to think, use your brain. The surface of a pool table is 9 feet long and 5 feet wide. Well, a pool table is a rectangle. So if one is 9 feet, the other would be 9 feet. If one side is 5 feet, the other side would be 5 feet. Okay, then you have to find the perimeter. Use a paper and pencil if you need to. I suggest you do. I do to help me solve problems as well. Okay, and then the last part is you can go ahead and practice some extra math. Have fun. Remember to take your time to make sure you are adding correctly. When we were in school in the classroom, some of you were making mistakes on your simple addition and subtraction. You have to slow down and make sure you are counting correctly. All right, I will see you for math tomorrow. Enjoy today's jobs. Or no, on Monday, because today is Friday. Enjoy your weekend. I miss you all.